Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix or customize your Shopify checkout page. In order to customize the checkout page, first of all you need to sign in to the Shopify admin panel. Then you need to click on Settings tab here. After that you have to click on Checkout tab here. Now it will lead you to the checkout customization page. First of all, let's suppose we need to add logo, add colors or change settings of the layout of your checkout page. For that, you need to click on Customize button here. It will redirect you to the checkout customization page. For example, we need to add logo to our checkout page. Currently you can see we have store name listed here. So to add the logo, click on Add Image here and select the logo of your store. As you can see, the store name is converted to the logo here. You can even set the max width for your logo. Now you can even align the logo as center or right or as in left. Next is background image. You can even add background image for the checkout header. For example, I just check any random image and you can see our header is replaced with the background image as we selected. For now, I just remove it. Even if you want, you can add color to your checkout page. You can also add background image for the second section here. As you can see, image is updated. You can choose the background color as well. And we have an option for the color accent. For example, I just change the color and you can see the colors are updating according to the chosen color. We can even update the button color here. We have an option to change the typography of our headings. As you can see, these are updating as per selections, and for the body as well. We have an option to select the checkout layout as well. Either you want to keep it one page or 3-page checkout. If it switches to the 3-page checkout, it will give us the continue button here, and here we have the button color option to change as well. After we've done with the changes, we need to click on the Save button here. That's all for the checkout layout. Now we can see how we customize the checkout fields or the form of your Shopify store. First option, you can see the customer contact method. We have an option to keep it as phone number or email, or only restrict to email. Next is show a link for customer to track their order. If we keep this checkbox on, we have an option for the customer so that they can see the link to track their order. Next is require customer to log into their account before checkout. If I check this box on, it will ask our customer to log in before making a purchase. Although I don't recommend this option because it restricts the customers and they might leave your website before making a purchase. Next is customer information. You have an option that either you can keep the last name as required field, or you can choose require first and last name both. Next is company name. The recommended option for this is don't include, but if you want to include this on the checkout form, you can keep it as optional or required as per your choice. Next is address line 2, that is apartment, unit, etc. So you have an option to keep it on the form or not. Next is shipping address, phone number. If you want the phone number of your customers to have on the checkout page, you can keep it as optional or required so that you can use that on the time of SMS marketing. Next is marketing option. Let's suppose you want to keep your customers updated related to any marketing strategies or any discounts. You can keep them posting by using email or SMS. You have an option if you want to keep it pre-selected, checked. Next is tipping. If you want your customer so that they can give you a tip during the time of checkout, you can keep this checkbox on, and they will have 3 preset amounts, or they can even add a custom amount. Next is address collection preferences. If you won't allow shipping and billing address to the different, you can check this radio button on. Either you can check this on for require shipping and billing address to match. Next is validate shipping address. You can keep this checkbox on so that Shopify validate the address of your customer. Next checkbox is for don't use shipping address as billing address by default. I don't recommend this checkbox to be on because mostly the people have same billing and shipping address. Next is abundant checkout emails. You can have an option to send abundant checkout emails automatically to your customers. You can choose if you want anyone who abandoned their checkout or only the email subscriber of your website. You can even set the time limit, like if you want to send the email after 1 hour, 6, 10 hours as recommended, or 24 hours. Next one is post purchase page. You have an option to add tracking script and other customizations on the checkout page, and you can even choose a checkout app for that. You can add the additional script here in this box. Next one is order status page. If you want to add additional script on the address status page, you can add the script here. Next one, or the last one, is checkout language. You can even change the language or the content of your checkout page by clicking on this section here, but firstly we need to save the settings which we have made changes here. So now in order to change the language, just click on the edit checkout content button here. On this page you will have options to change the default titles, error page title, or if you want to change the button labels. As you can see, we have customizations here to change all the content which we can see on the checkout page. That's all for the checkout customization. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others who might